Hello everyone, my name is Jimmy. In this video, I'm going to talk about a cryptocurrency called Bakkt, which is going to be listed in the stock exchange soon. Cryptocurrencies has gained a lot of traction lately. Other than trading coins, investors can now invest in crypto companies in the stock exchange. For example, next week, Coinbase is going to be listed in the US market, and of course, followed by the planned Bakkt listing, which is coming soon. So what is Bakkt? What does Bakkt do? Bakkt is an integrated platform that allows individuals and institutions to transact in digital assets, especially cryptocurrencies. The platform also permits trading of other assets such as loyalty and reward points. That makes Bakkt very consumer friendly, and in fact, Starbucks has actually used Bakkt as their digital wallet to make payment for the services. This is obviously very strong point because right now you can actually go to Starbucks, go up there and get your favorite coffee, your pastry, and pay with Bitcoins using Bakkt wallet. And it's going to be very easy for consumers. Bakkt is going to get listed through SPAC VIH. And currently the share price is trading at $13.95. I compare Bakkt with Coinbase, and obviously Bakkt is a lot cheaper than Coinbase, given that Coinbase is already 300 times overvalued. Would I be investing in this company? Probably yes. Given the fact that right now it is all about crypto world, cryptocurrencies, and at $13.95 is probably worth a bit of bet into this crypto craze and see how it goes from there. Please leave me your comments below. I would love to hear from you. Else, if you find this video useful, please give me a like and see you next time.